Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, go into menu and tap on calendar. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and clicking at the icon at the bottom right corner. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one, set up location, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, go back, take notes, invite people and some other things. When you're done, click on save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it completely, you need to click on it, tap on event and just delete at the bottom right corner, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!